Welcome to iDrive Motors. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is a luxury sedan that combines elegance, cutting-edge technology, and performance to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. The exterior design is bold and refined with a prominent kidney grille, sleek adaptive LED headlights, and smooth sculpted lines that create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Chrome accents and premium alloy wheels enhance the overall aesthetic, giving the 2026 BMW 7 Series a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamics have been optimized for both efficiency and stability, ensuring a confident driving experience in city streets or on the highway. Every detail of the exterior reflects BMW's commitment to style, sophistication, and performance. Inside, the 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a cabin that balances luxury and technology seamlessly. Premium leather seating, elegant wood trims, and high-quality materials provide a first-class experience for all passengers. The driver enjoys a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Gesture and voice controls reduce distractions while enhancing convenience. Multi-way adjustable front seats come with heating, cooling, and massage functions to ensure comfort on short drives or long trips. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom, optional heated and cooled seats, and customizable climate and entertainment controls, making the BMW 7 Series ideal for both driving enthusiasts and those who prefer to be chauffeured. Performance is a core aspect of the 2026 BMW 7 Series. The sedan offers multiple powertrain options, including turbocharged inline-six and V8 engines delivering impressive horsepower and torque. The smooth automatic transmission allows for precise and responsive shifts, while optional all-wheel drive provides stability and control under various road conditions. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to the road surface, offering both comfort and precise handling. The combination of power, control, and refinement ensures the 2026 BMW 7 Series delivers an exceptional driving experience whether cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive and designed to provide confidence in every situation. Standard and optional technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree parking cameras. These systems work together to help prevent accidents, assist in complex driving situations, and protect both the driver and passengers. Advanced sensors and cameras ensure precise monitoring of the surrounding environment, enhancing safety while maintaining a smooth driving experience. The overall experience of the 2026 BMW 7 Series is a combination of luxury, innovation, and performance. Every detail from the design to the technology and driving dynamics has been crafted to provide a premium, high-end experience. The cabin is quiet, refined, and equipped with modern conveniences that make every journey enjoyable. The balance of comfort, technology, and driving pleasure makes the 2026 BMW 7 Series one of the most desirable luxury sedans in its class. For detailed reviews, specifications, comparisons, and updates on the latest luxury vehicles, subscribe to Auto's Reviews. Stay informed about the newest features, expert insights, and comprehensive coverage of the most impressive cars in the automotive world. Auto's Reviews provides reliable and up-to-date information for enthusiasts and potential buyers seeking the ultimate driving experience.